Fnatic, talk about what your journey has been for the last few months with Fnatic, and why did you decide to continue being with Fnatic? And after that, obviously, let's try and make the big announcement that everyone's waiting for.
So basically, Fnatic was the first international team that entered the PUBG Mobile scene in India. So I was very privileged enough to be a member of this team and cannot thank my mentors enough, that निविश भाई, विक्टर एंड नौरम भाई, फॉर चूजिंग मी. और जैसे कि मैं अभी बहुत हैप्पी हूँ, मतलब मैं फेनेटिक का एक पार्ट हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ फेनेटिक. और जैसे कि अभी पता है हम लोग का वर्ल्ड लीग हुआ, हमारा परफॉर्मेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं था, कुछ इशू हुए, कुछ हुआ, वो हमारे परफॉर्मेंस में दिखा. बट अभी हम लोग के नो नेगेटिव थॉट्स, वी आर जस्ट फोकसिंग ऑन नेक्स्ट टाइटल and we want to win that title, so we are preparing for that. And Nimish bhai, Sam, Victor and everyone is helping us for making us boot camp and everything. So we are happy that we'll do our best in next tournament, and we are ready for next tournament. So that's the thing.
I would like to tell the fans is that we obviously look at India as a very crucial market. We want to be the most celebrated and the most entertaining esports team in the country. At the end of the day, we are a lifestyle brand. We are building all our pillars one after the other. हमको apparel भी लेके आना है, हमको content भी बनाना है, हमको tournaments भी जीतना है, and we also want to do a lot of events for our fans. So before I kind of make the big announcement right now, maybe this is a first look of what this program would look like. If you can just put up the poster on the screen for everyone to have a look. Basically, we're taking influence from what we've done globally as a program. We are officially launching Fnatic Rising, which is a part of a 7.5 or 8 month program where we will scan the entire country. We will go through the entire nooks and corners of this country to identify the best PUBG players. Kids between the age of 18 to 23 will be able to apply. The idea would be we will have multiple phases, after which the top 10 guys who are selected will be flown down to Bombay. They will be part of the Fnatic and Loco studio. They will not only be trained to look after their PUBG skills, but they will also be trained on content. They will also be trained to be professional streamers. They will be given support for social media to build up their fan base. The idea is, अभी हमारे पास स्काउट तो ऑलरेडी है. इंडिया का दूसरा ओएस और दूसरा स्काउट या दूसरा जॉनथन कहाँ से आएगा? This is also going to be a Loco original series. This will be a web series that will also go on Loco. So Fnatic Rising is officially launched. The idea would be, like I said, from the 25th of June, we will go live for registrations. People, all fans who are between the age of 18 to 23 would be able to apply as a team as soon as all the phases are done. As I said, the top 10 players out of their entire 7.5 month program will be selected to actually flown down to Mumbai to be a part of the Fnatic studio along with Loco. And we will definitely identify the next potential OS and scout, and they will get an official Fnatic contract for 2021. And the rest of the players will continue to be with Loco as streamers. This is a quite interesting one. Do you want to give any hint about the upcoming roster and the announcement date? I would say the announcement date is something that we will not announce right now. But yeah, Mr. OS, please, if you want to give any hints, the kind of players that we're checking out, I am happy if you want to announce that. That's not a problem at all.
Muted.
Okay, sorry. So guys, everyone is asking for new roster and the announcement date. So yes guys, the date will be announced soon. And for your kind information that I am testing players, कि कौन सही खेल रहा है, कौन सही नहीं खेल रहा है, and I'm trying new players for the future of the Fnatic. और तो थोड़ा आप सब्र रखें, हम अच्छे प्लेयर ढूंढ रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी हमारी टीम में था थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम, तो अब उसको हमने सॉर्ट आउट किया है. और अभी हम फ्यूचर का सोच रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा वेट करो, हम लोग बस देख रहे हैं अभी कौन सा प्लेयर अच्छा है, कौन सा नहीं है, कौन सा फेनेटिक को सूट होगा, कौन सा प्लेयर कैसा है, तो उसका भी थोड़ा प्रोसेस है और वो प्रोसेस के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा। तो मैं ऐसे ही अभी आपको नहीं बता सकता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं सब प्लेयर को ट्राई कर रहा हूँ। जो भी बेस्ट प्लेयर है इंडिया के, मैं उन सबको रिकमेंड करूंगा, उनके साथ खेलूंगा, उनका गेम देखूंगा और फिर उनको अपनी टीम में लूंगा। और जैसे कि निमिष भाई ने राइजिंग का भी अनाउंस किए, तो गाइस तुम सबके लिए